Hello, everyone, and welcome back to English and IELTS Mastery Hub, where learning English is easy and fun. I'm Elena.
Hi, Elena. It's so good to be here today. I'm Tom. How are you?
I'm great, Tom. Thank you. How are you?
I am a little hungry, Elena.
Hungry already?
Yes, I am thinking about food. Lots of food. A big bowl of pasta, some garlic bread, maybe a chocolate dessert.
Wow, Tom, that sounds delicious. You're making me hungry now, too.
Sorry, but maybe that is a good idea for our podcast today.
Oh, that's a perfect idea. Let's talk about food. Let's talk about going to a restaurant.
Yes, a restaurant. Going to a restaurant and speaking English. It can be easy and fun.
Exactly. And it's also great practice if you are preparing for IELTS, because restaurants are a common topic in the speaking test.
Right. So today we will talk about English conversation at a restaurant and help you feel confident when you order food.
Before we start, everyone, please remember to subscribe to our channel, English and IELTS Mastery Hub.
Yes, and give this video a like if you are hungry like Tom and share it with your friends and family. It helps us a lot.
Thank you so much, everyone. All right, Elena, I am at the door of the restaurant. What do I do? What do I say?
Good question. You open the door, you go in, and you see a person. This person is the host or the waiter. You smile and say hello or hi.
Hello. Simple. I can do that.
Yes, you can. Then you need a table, so you can say, a table for two, please.
A table for two, please, if it is me and you.
Exactly. Or a table for three, please, if you have another friend. So a table for and then the number of people.
So I can say, a table for one, please, if I'm alone.
Perfect. And the waiter or host will say something like, this way, please, or follow me, please.
And then I follow the waiter to my table.
Yes, you sit down at the table. Now, Tom, what is the first thing you want at the table?
The food.
Almost. Before the food, you need the menu.
Yes, the menu. The menu to see the food, to choose the food.
Exactly. Sometimes the waiter gives you the menu. If they don't, you can ask, can I have the menu, please?
Can I have the menu, please? That sounds very polite.
Yes, please is a magic word in a restaurant. It's small, but very powerful.
Okay, so I have the menu. I open it. I see many words. Starters, main courses, desserts, drinks. Help!
Don't worry, let's explain. Starters are the small dishes you eat first, like soup or a small salad.
Soup. I like soup. Tomato soup, mushroom soup. I like all soup.
Me too. Then you have the main courses. The main course is the big dish, like chicken, steak, pasta, or a burger.
My favorite part, the main course.
Of course. And then we have desserts. Dessert is the sweet food you eat at the end, like cake, ice cream, or fruit salad.
I love dessert. Chocolate cake is my number one.
Excellent choice. And finally, we have drinks. Water, juice, soda, tea, coffee.
Okay, good. I can see the menu in my mind now.
Great. So, the waiter comes to your table with a small notepad. He or she smiles and says, are you ready to order?
Are you ready to order? And I can say, yes, I am, or yes, please, right?
Exactly. Or if you need more time, you can say, just a minute, please, or could we have a few more minutes?
That's very useful. Just a minute, please. But today I am hungry. I am ready.
Perfect. Now it's time to order your food. This is the fun part. How do you say it politely?
Maybe I want the pasta.
Just saying, I want is okay, but a more polite and natural way is, I'd like, or I'll have.
Right, I remember. I'd like or I'll have. They sound very friendly.
Exactly. So you can say, I'd like the tomato soup to start, please, or I'll have the grilled chicken, please.
Let's practice. You be the waiter, I am the customer.
All right. Hello, are you ready to order?
Yes, I am. I'd like the tomato soup to start, please.
Okay, tomato soup to start. And for your main course?
I'll have the grilled chicken with vegetables, please.
Excellent choice. And would you like anything to drink?
The drink, I forgot again. I can say, I'd like a glass of water, please.
Perfect. So that's 1 tomato soup, 1 grilled chicken with vegetables, and 1 glass of water.
Nice, and the waiter repeats the order to check everything is correct.
Exactly. And you can answer, yes, that's right, thank you.
I like this. It feels simple.
It is. The key is to keep your sentences short and polite. This is very good for real life and also for IELTS speaking.
That's true. Clear and polite English always sounds good in the exam.
Exactly. So you ordered. Now you wait. You talk with your friend. After a few minutes, the waiter brings your food and says, enjoy your meal.
Enjoy your meal, and I say thank you.
Yes, easy and friendly.
My chicken looks amazing. My soup smells good. I start eating. During the meal, maybe the waiter comes back, right?
Yes. The waiter might ask, is everything okay? Or, how is your meal?
And if it's good, I can say, yes, it's delicious. Or, yes, everything is great. Thank you.
Perfect. The word delicious is very useful. It means very, very good.
Delicious. Delicious. I like this word.
Me too. Now, what if you need something, like more water or another drink?
Okay, I look for the waiter. When they come near my table, I say, excuse me.
Yes, excuse me is how you get someone's attention in a polite way. Then you ask, can I have some more water, please? Or, can I have some more bread, please?
Or can I have another soda, please?
Exactly. Very natural English.
All right, I've finished my chicken. I am full and happy, but dessert?
Of course, dessert. The waiter may take your plates and ask, would you like to see the dessert menu?
And I say, yes, please, very fast.
Exactly. You look at the dessert menu, you see the chocolate cake, and when the waiter comes back, you say, I'd like the chocolate cake, please.
That sounds perfect. I can already taste the cake.
Then you eat your dessert. You are very, very full now.
Yes, completely full. The meal was wonderful. Now it's time to pay.
Right. This is another important part. You want to ask for the bill. So again, you look for the waiter and say, excuse me.
Excuse me, and then I say, can I have the bill, please? Or can I have the check, please?
Exactly. Bill and check are basically the same. In British English, people usually say bill. In American English, people usually say check.
So the bill, please, is always okay.
Yes, it's perfect. The waiter brings a small piece of paper with the total price.
And I can pay with cash or with a card.
Right. If you're not sure, you can ask, do you take credit cards?
Good question for travelers and IELTS students who might live abroad.
Exactly. Then when you give your money or your card to the waiter, you can say, here you are.
Here you are. Very nice and natural.
The waiter takes the payment, comes back with your change or your card and the receipt, and says something like, thank you, have a nice day.
And I say, thank you, goodbye.
Perfect. That's a very friendly way to leave the restaurant.
I like this whole conversation. Can we do a quick role play from start to finish?
Great idea. Let's do it. I'll be the waiter, you're the customer.
Okay. I walk into the restaurant.
Hello, welcome to Sunny Garden Restaurant.
Hello. Table for one, please.
Of course. This way, please. Here's your table.
Thank you. Could I see the menu, please?
Certainly. Here you are.
Thank you. Yes, I'm ready to order.
Great. Are you ready to order?
Yes, I am. I'd like the tomato soup to start, please.
Tomato soup. And for your main course?
I'll have the grilled salmon with rice, please.
An excellent choice. Would you like anything to drink?
Yes, I'd like a glass of orange juice, please.
Perfect. 1 tomato soup, 1 grilled salmon with rice, and 1 orange juice. I'll be right back.
Thank you.
Here's your soup and your orange juice. Enjoy your meal.
Thank you. It looks delicious.
Is everything okay?
Yes, it's delicious. Thank you.
Wonderful. Let me know if you need anything.
Excuse me.
Yes?
Could I have the dessert menu, please?
Of course. Here you are.
Thank you. I'd like the chocolate cake, please.
Very good. 1 chocolate cake. I'll be right back. Here's your dessert. Enjoy.
Thank you. Excuse me.
Yes?
Can I have the bill, please?
Of course. Here is your bill.
Thank you. Here you are.
Thank you. I'll be right back. Here's your card and your receipt. Thank you for coming.
Thank you. Goodbye.
Goodbye. Have a great evening.
Wow, Elena, that felt like a real restaurant visit.
It did. And the nice thing is, the sentences are short and easy. This is perfect for beginners and also very useful for IELTS Speaking Part 1 style practice.
Yes, the phrases are really clear. A table for, can I have, I'd like, and can I have the bill, please?
Exactly. And don't forget the most important words. Please, thank you, and excuse me. They make your English sound polite and natural.
I feel much more confident now. I think I can go to a restaurant and order in English.
I know you can, Tom. And everyone listening can too. Start simple. Order something you know, like pizza, pasta, or a burger.
Good tip. Don't choose something with a very long, difficult name at first.
Right. Keep it simple and smile. A smile is understood in every language.
That's my new restaurant strategy. A smile, please, and thank you.
It's a perfect strategy. It works in real life and also makes you sound calm and confident in the IELTS speaking test.
So, Elena, what's your favorite food to order at a restaurant?
I love pasta. Any kind of pasta. Pasta with tomato sauce is my favorite. Simple but delicious.
Nice. And apart from my giant hamburger, I really like a big vegetable pizza with mushrooms and olives.
That sounds amazing. Now I'm hungry again.
Same here. We always end up hungry on this podcast.
True. But I hope our conversation today was helpful for everyone listening.
I hope so too. Remember, you can practice this at home with a friend or family member.
Yes, one person is a waiter, one person is a customer. Then you can switch roles.
And don't worry about mistakes. It's okay to make mistakes. People are usually very friendly and will try to understand you.
That's the most important thing. Just try. People appreciate it when you try to speak their language.
Exactly. All right. I think that's a lot of useful English for one episode.
I agree. It was a delicious episode.
It really was. Thank you all so much for listening.
Yes, thank you. We hope you feel more ready to go to a restaurant and order in English.
Don't forget to subscribe to English and IELTS Mastery Hub so you don't miss our next episodes.
And please share this episode with anyone who's learning English. It's a great way to help your friends.
For today's comment, tell us, what is your favorite food to order at a restaurant?
Yes, is it sushi, pasta, pizza, salad, or something from your country? Tell us in the comment.
We can't wait to read your answers.
Until next time, keep practicing and keep smiling.
Goodbye, everyone.
Bye for now.